Hello, trading is closed on September 4th, 2018. We hit a target of 2910.19. We said it should print unless we gap down smartly at the open, which is what happened. It did print Monday in the overnight session, but while it's relevant, it's not enough to cross it off the list, so we'll just have to add this one. During the day, MEJT said ultimately lower prices would print. We got the minimum. We normally get more than that. Said this rally would retrace, said that drop would retrace, said this rally would retrace, and all that's happened. So most of the time we're going to undercut this low, which is 28.90.62, but there's nothing requiring it. Well, we have a few numbers that we're watching. We're watching the old high. We're watching the high here. And we're watching the target in the 28.50s. And whichever one breaks first, we hope will tell us the direction of the market's next move. But I take things a day at a time, and as far as tomorrow's concerned, this is a pretty positive pattern. We gapped down, hit a lower low, couldn't hold on to any of these lows. We also have a reversal pattern based on somebody else's work, which says either this is the low of the drop or there's one more drop under this low and then a reversal. I will tell you more often than not every time, more often than not, we get one more drop and then you reverse. And what's plausible about that scenario is we normally get more on the downside than this. And we do have a wall into the close. Typically these walls tend to be unrestrained. Buying by the amateurs tends to be reversed by gapping down when the market reopens. Tomorrow's pattern's the one with the early low and the late high. Tends to have a positive close and close near the day's high. When it's a negative day, it tends to have a big drop early, typically hitting a low in the first 1 to 2 hours of trading. Standard rule applies, gapping down smartly. Puts the call out of reach. I look for higher prices tomorrow with a low to high pattern, with the caveat that I think it's more likely than not that we see a drop first, and it could be a substantial drop. But the odds favor a recovery, even though they don't require it. And that's today's call.